Welcome guys to this channel. So if you are new to this channel is all about learning how to use your favorite apps. So today on this channel we're going to learn how to use Canva to make Instagram reels. Yes, you can actually use Canva to make Instagram reels. So if you're interested to learn how you can make awesome reels with Canva, keep watching, and guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. So this is the Canva homepage. So to make a reel, you are going to click on mobile video, select mobile video, then it will bring out all these templates for mobile video. So there are two ways to it. First of all, we're going to use Canva's already made templates. You can start from scratch, but first let me show you how to use Canva's already made templates. So all these things are mobile videos. So if you see one that you like that matches your brand or what you want to portray in your reel, you go ahead and click on it and begin to customize it. So I'll just go ahead and select a particular template that I like. So let's say you are going for a vlog like reel, right? So I can click on this one that says vlog morning routine. So when you click on it, it will open up a canvas with that particular video on the canvas. So you now go ahead and begin to edit or customize as you wish. So guys, you can see the mobile video has been added to the timeline, right? And you can see it's for about 7 seconds or thereabouts. So to begin customizing this video, you can add your own video, the video that you wish to be here, or you can use this one. So to add your own video, if you click on the video to select it, then you select replace, it will take you to your uploads. Canva is imagining that, okay, since you don't like our video, you want to use your own. So if you already have a video selected, you can click on it, but if you don't have, then you click on upload media to upload a video from your device. So now I'm going to click on upload media, right? When I click on upload media, it will take me to this page where I have the option to upload from all these places where I'm uploading from my device. So when I select it and select files, then I have all these things on my device, right? So I'll look for the file, the video file that I want to upload to Canva. So right now the video is being uploaded. As you can see, it has been added to my videos on Canva. So to add it to my canvas, I'll just go ahead and click on it. So you can see it has been added to my timeline. So once it is added to my timeline, I go ahead and play it to see what it looks like. So you can see it is playing, right? So this is just the first clip. You can see the mobile video has other clips that you can either use as it is, or you can add your own. So you can see it has other clips right to the very end, and they vary in length. Some are more than 5 seconds, some are below 5 seconds. So you just go ahead and continue customizing your video clips. And you can see the plus sign at the end. You can add another clip if you want. If the ones here are not enough for your reel, you can add another one. So next, to continue customizing our reel, we're going to change the text, right? So that it will type what we want in the text. So if you just select the text, when you click on it, at the bottom you click edit, then the flashing cursor will appear. Then you go ahead and type in what you want. So you can see I'm typing in garden So that is what I want to appear in my own reel, right? So you can see it has been entered. So you just go ahead to customize or to edit any text. When you click on it, then the menu will pop up at the bottom. Then you click on edit, or you can click on delete if you want to delete the text entirely. So I'm going ahead to customize my text. So you can see I've added what I want. So when I play it, you'll see the text that I have added to my reel. So you can do it for each and every clip of your reel. And you can also adjust the length of your clips. Since they are pre-made templates, you mustn't go with the clips as they are. So you are the one that knows the length of your reel, right? So if you click and hold the white bar at the end, at each end of each clip, you can see you can click to shorten or lengthen the clips to your taste. You can see it. When you drag, it will become longer, it will become shorter, depending on the direction you drag it to. So if you are using the clips already provided by Canva, you can actually increase or decrease the length, and you can also decrease or increase the length of your own clip. When you hold at the end, click and drag. So when you click at the plus, you click the plus sign at the end, you can see you can add another clip, a blank canvas. You can see it when you click on that plus sign. So when you add a blank canvas, then you click on the plus, the purple plus sign at the bottom, to add another video to that blank canvas. You understand? So when you click on the plus sign, it will take you to this page where you can click on videos to select a video to add to your blank canvas. That is, if the clips provided are not enough for you. So that is how you can use Canva's pre-made templates to make a reel. And guys, remember that all these templates and videos and Canva are not all free, and they are not also all pro. Pro means you have to pay for them, you have to have a pro account. But on Canva, the good thing is that you have some free videos and some pro videos. I also have some pro templates and some free templates. So that is it. So the second way you can create a reel in Canva is to start from scratch. That is using a blank canvas. Then you can now import your own videos, or still search for and add videos from Canva. So to start from scratch, you click on the blank canvas. You can see your canvas is blank. So you can now go ahead to, and once you click on a blank canvas, Canva will automatically take you to this page, because Canva is imagining that okay, we don't want our own templates, then you have to add your own videos, so you have to search for your own videos to add. So on this page, you can click on your uploads to add your own video. So when you click on upload, you click on videos to view the videos that you have uploaded on Canva. So you can see all the videos that are already uploaded on Canva. So you select the one that you want. So I'll still go ahead and select this one. So you can see it has been added to my canvas. And if you notice, it is not occupying the whole canvas. So to make it fill the screen, when you select it, you scroll all the way to the end and select the three dots at the end of your menu. When you select the three dots, then you select set video as background. So you can see it has filled up the canvas. So that is how to fill up the screen on anybody's phone that is watching this reel. So that is the first clip added, right? So you can actually edit your clip by trimming it. When you click on it, you select trim, the scissors icon. You can see you click on the purple handle at the end, then you hold and drag to the place where you want to trim off from. Next, if you click on the volume icon at the bottom, you can adjust the volume as you wish. You can also crop your video, flip your video, and customize and edit it as you want. So to add another clip, you click on the plus icon beside your clip. You can see another blank canvas has been added. So you can go ahead and click on the purple plus sign and add another clip to your reel, and that clip might be your original reel, just like I've added, or you can search for a clip on Canva to add. So I have added a clip to my reel, so I'll go ahead and set it as background as I did with the first clip. But first of all, I adjust the volume and then also adjust the duration by holding the purple handle and dragging. You can see I want it to be about 5 seconds or so, because it has been adjusted and the volume has also been taken care of, right? So I'll go ahead and set it as background. So you can see it has been set as background, and I now have 2 clips in my reel. So to add another clip, I'll click on the same plus sign beside my clip. So for this third clip, I'm going to actually search for a clip on Canva to add. So to search for a video, you can see the search bar at the top when you click on it. Okay, first of all, I clicked on videos, then I'll now click on the search bar to search for a particular video that I want. So I want gardening videos, so I'll type in garden or gardening, and then Canva will bring up a lot of gardening videos for me to choose from. So I'll go ahead and choose anyone that I like. I think I like this one. You can see some of them are pro, the ones with the crown icon. Anyone without the crown icon is free, so you can click on it. So you can see it has been added to my canvas, and as usual, it is not filling the screen, but as I showed you earlier, you set it as background. You can see it has been set as background, it has filled the screen. So I'll go ahead and customize it to my taste. So when it is selected, I can go ahead and adjust the duration. You can see I'm adjusting the duration of it by dragging the white handle at the end. Continue dragging it until it is as short as I want it to be. You can see it is now quite short, so this is the length or the duration I want for this video. So now I can go ahead and play my reel from the beginning to see how all of them play out. So the next thing to do, guys, in the making of this reel in Canva is to add text to our reel. Yes, you can add text to your reel in Canva. So when you click on the purple plus sign to take you to this page, you select text, that has the T icon, and then the text templates will appear. So you can either add your own text or you can select a template. So I think I would select a template. So I'm going for this thank you template. I'll just select it and then change the write-up inside. So when I click on it, you can see it has been added to my reel or to my video clip, and I'll go ahead and customize it to my taste. So to customize it, you click on it. When you click on it, then you click on the edit button at the bottom. Then you can go ahead and delete the characters, then type in your own. So you can see I'm deleting and typing in my own. So I've deleted it, so I'll go ahead and type in what I want. So when you type in your text, you can go ahead and drag it to where you want it to be. So I'll just drag it up so that at least you can see what is happening in the video clip, right? So I'll drag it up a bit and place it there. So that's for the first clip. So for the second clip, you also go ahead and add text. So this is how you add text to all your clips. You can either use the same font or different fonts, or the same text template or different text template, depends on what you are going for. So again, you click on the purple plus, click on text and select the text you want, or type in the text you want. So in the same way, you add text to all your clips. So you can see, then you can go back to the beginning and play your reel from the beginning to see how it goes. So I'm playing the reel now, I'm testing it out. Since this is a video editor, it will not play smoothly, but once uploaded to Instagram, it will play very smoothly. So this is how to make a reel in Canva. So my reel has 3 clips. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned 1 or 2 things. Don't forget to drop a comment and subscribe to support the channel.